GROM stock, GROM Social Enterprises Inc. It closed the session of the 22nd of September 2021 at $2.02. So this stock, sometime not very long ago, a few sessions ago, as a matter of fact, touched its 52 or reached a new 52-week low, but it didn't stay there. It didn't register. It pulled back. So based on this daily model, it doesn't have where it's trading. Where it's trading right now is not close to its 52-week low. So 52-week low will be somewhere below $0.78. So a few sessions ago, as I indicated earlier, it fell below that $0.78. So that came into focus. So we picked it up. But what is absolutely clear right now is that it's currently trading below all of its moving averages. So I mean, if a stock is doing that, then the stock is seriously bearish. And you can see it deviated sometime. You can see that's at about that, from the 15th of September or 14th of September, it started to deviate. So it broke out of the consolidation pattern it was in since the 23rd of July. So all in all, the reason why I'm bringing this to your notice is because amongst other things, it's now it's trading at a discount to all of those moving averages. The float is about 10 million shares. Shares outstanding is about 12.222 million shares, and also the volume, the participation, currently stands at these figures. 10-day average volume is about 345,997. 90 days is 635,664. But the volume for this last session, the 22nd of September, was 773,427, which is above the 10-day average and also above the 90-day average, even though the average volume for the regular average volume is 842,479. But for the 10-day average, it is the volume for that session was more. So what does that tell you? It is gradually moving up. People are looking. They know. We are not the only ones who observe that. They are getting involved gradually. You can see that the stock has inched up. It has inched up. Sloping now, even though it doesn't look like much, it is now sloping slightly upwards. So could this be the time to get involved with this stock? We all know what's been going on of late. They have been targeting stocks with low floats, and all that stuff, and the average volume is not even up to 1 million. So yes, just see what you make of this stock. It's also a penny stock as well. $1.88 is what it closed at. And just put it on your radar and put it in focus. People are getting involved for sure based on the quantitatives. So we just felt the need to bring that to your attention, and we're not recommending it. The underlying trend is still, even though it's with the readout here since there's still the underlying trend is still an upward one, but we're still not recommending that for you. But it's just to bring this to your attention. Okay, so you can say that it appears to be consolidating within a longer term uptrend. The average directional index is below 20, indicating that shares have traded sideways recently. However, the 200-day moving average is still sloping bullishly upwards. It's lagging the S&P 500. The momentum is strongly bearish. Yes, the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, the level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there's a lack of buying interest. So yes, these are indicating all of those things, but at the same time, while all of the overall, because what we just read out now is especially the momentum and the volume, it's a breakdown of what has happened over the last 14 sessions. But in the midst of all that, of the 14 sessions, you see that some things are, some sessions are indicating, as currently, some sessions, yes, as we indicated, that of the last session, are starting to indicate something in the reverse. So if it's 1 or 2 sessions, that may not be enough to change the whole cumulative analysis or the breakdown. So like I said, the important thing is that we just want to bring this to your attention and see what you make of it. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.